In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add a blog on WooCommerce. So in order to do that, first head over to woocommerce.com. And from in there, you can either click onto the start here in order to create an account or click on this login in order to log into one. So I've clicked on login, and as you can see, WooCommerce can be integrated with WordPress. So you can actually connect those two together, or you can also sign in or continue with your Google. On my case, let me head over and log in to Woo with WooCommerce. Just click on this continue right here. And then after that, this will be prompted me to log in into my actual dashboard right here. Is in here you can see the actual account that I have. You can see my dashboard. You can see my stores right here under the account. And from in there, you can find in here this. So for example, let's choose in here this one. Alternatively, you can also create a new store. So input right here your store URL. Click on continue. And as you can see, it's asking me to install this. Let's head over and install WooCommerce. On your WordPress, you can head right here to your plugins and click on this add a plugin option. And then from in there, you can head over and then search in here for WooCommerce. You can also just type in Woo. And then from in there, head over and click on this WooCommerce right here that you can see. And from in there, head over and then install and activate this. Just click on it and this will install it. Once it's been installed, you can head over and then click onto this right here. Click onto this connect your account. And once it's been successfully connected, you can head back right here to your WordPress and then head over right here to this add plugin again. And then from in there, just wait for this to load. Onto this search bar right here, head over and search in here for blog. So head over and search. From in there, you can also just click on post, click on add post, and then this will serve as your blog on your WooCommerce store empowered by WordPress. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.